Are you looking for ways to increase your sales and attract more customers? Then check out Inflow's bundle product feature. Bundling groups related products together, offering your customers value, convenience, and variety while also boosting your sales. Here's an overview. First, make sure to add all your products to Inflow. Second, add a bill of materials with the products the bundle contains. Third, we'll use Inflow's manufacturer settings to take care of assembling bundles automatically. Let's start. Open the product that you want to make into a bundle. If you haven't already added a bill of materials, click on the Manufacturing tab and select Add a Bill of Materials. Add the products that are in the bundle to the bill of materials list. As mentioned, Inflow's manufacturing features assist with making and selling bundles. This means we'll need to turn on the bundle features in the manufacturer settings. For the manufacturing procedure, the default for products with a bill of materials is to assemble products manually. This means products will only be assembled if you create and complete a manufacturer order in Inflow. To have Inflow create bundles for you, select the second option, Auto Assemble After Sale. If the bundle isn't in stock when you pick it on a sales order, then Inflow will create and complete a manufacturer order for you. This will deduct the inventory of the components and increase the quantity of the bundle to complete the sale. Below are the buildable and available quantity settings. Here is where you can choose if the quantity available of the bundle product should include possible build quantities or if it should be excluded. For the console bundle, the components include one console and one gaming headset. Both of these products are also sold individually. When using sales orders or selling with e-commerce integrations, Inflow uses the quantity available to determine how many can be sold. If using the separate quantity setting, Inflow will show that there are 23 consoles, 10 headsets, and 0 console bundles available. This means the component products are available to sell, but the console bundle needs to be assembled beforehand to create the quantity available. On the quantity breakdown, the buildable quantity shows the maximum number of bundles that can be made based on the available components. Let's go back to the manufacturer settings. If you prefer to see how many consoles, headsets, and console bundles can be sold at any time, select Combine Quantities. This will show you the total quantities for the components plus how many bundles can be assembled at the same time. When Auto Assemble and Combine Quantities are both active, you can sell a bundle on the sales order, and when it's time to pick or fulfill the order, a manufacturer order will be made to create the bundle for you. Select both of these, then click Update. And now your product is a bundle. That was a lot of information. Let's do a quick recap of the bundling steps. Add a bill of materials on a product, choose Auto Assemble in the manufacturer settings to save time, then select Combine Quantities to show how many you could potentially sell, even if the products aren't bundled in Inflow yet. We also recommend turning on reordering for your component products as usual, and turning off reordering for your bundled products as that's already covered by your components. You can add product bill of materials lists and manufacturer settings in bulk with CSV imports. Take a look at the links in the description to learn more. If you have any questions, reach out to the Inflow team. You can find contact details on screen or linked in the description.